If you want to cancel your LinkedIn free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure your subscription is terminated before any charges occur. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LinkedIn website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account as the active free trial. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions and Payments section. Click on this option to view your current subscriptions, including the free trial. Step 4. Manage your subscription. Find the free trial subscription you wish to cancel. Click on the option to manage or cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your LinkedIn free trial and avoid any unwanted charges.